is Saram Saudagar Tagbate. I am in 3rd standard. My division name is Chandrabhaga. My teacher name is Gaware teacher. Today I am going to show you a fun activity. The activity name is color mixing activity. We can use colored gelatin papers like red, yellow, blue, and green. Everything it is a transparent colored papers. We can see in green paper everything looks green. Same as we can see in blue paper everything looks blue. And we can see in yellow paper everything looks yellow. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ratul Gulab. My school name is Shresh Vidyalaya Bashi. I am studying in 3rd standard. My division name is Chandrabhaga. My EVS teacher name is Gaware teacher. Now mix two papers together. For example, yellow and red. Make orange. Yellow and blue. Make green. Blue and red. Make purple. Thank you. Now we learned something important. Hello everyone, my name is Sanskriti Shivaji Shinde. My school name is Shresh Vidyalaya Bashi. My EVS teacher name is Gaware teacher. Now we learned something important. Conclusion. Light has many colors. Colored paper change the light by blocking some colors. When we use the one paper, we see one color. When we use the two papers, we see a new mixed color. Because light is filtered, thank you. Color change because light is filtered. Thank you.